Dihan nyo na. Miss Aurora Montano.
Number 5. Gusto ko yung gown mo. Saya, very festive. Siguro masaya kang tao. Okay. Anyway, ito yung aking question. Ano ang sikreto ng isang masaya at mahabang buhay?
First of all, I pray. I always pray that God will give me strength for all the obstacles. Can I speak in English? All the obstacles in my life, I pray, and I just give it to him, to him, whatever problem I have. But I tried my best to be positive. I tried to myself to be happy. In any obstacles, I try to see the positive and how I can make it work, or how can I struggle or survive or the obstacles by thinking positive, being happy. Family helps and friends, and taking care of yourself, because sometimes being weak physically, mentally drains you out, so you need to take care of yourself. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Our next question will come from